Is your toilet bowl hard to clean? Stop buying expensive chemicals. Here's a secret DIY trick using just Coca-Cola and toothpaste. All you need is 1 bottle of Coca-Cola, a tube of white toothpaste, a bowl, and an empty spray bottle. Simple, right? First, pour about 2 cups of Coca-Cola into your mixing bowl. The carbonic acid in Coke helps break down tough stains. Next, squeeze in a full tablespoon of white toothpaste. Toothpaste contains gentle abrasives and mint freshness. Whisk the mixture thoroughly until the toothpaste is completely dissolved and you get a smooth, foamy liquid solution. Take a look at these stubborn mineral stains and yellow marks. Watch how effortlessly this magic formula cleans them up. Spray the solution evenly all over the inside of the toilet bowl. Make sure to cover all the stained area thoroughly.
Let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. The active ingredients will loosen up the rust and hard water deposits.
Now, take your toilet brush and scrub gently. You'll see the grime sliding right off without any intense scrubbing required.
Hit the flush! Look at that bright, shiny, and fresh toilet bowl, smelling like fresh mint, with 0 chemical fumes.
Amazing result for less than $2. Try this today, hit the like button, and subscribe for more easy DIY cleaning hacks.